Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Lorex doorbell camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. So first of all, you need to start with the most important step. You need to make sure that your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want the doorbell to use. During the setup, the Lorex doorbells won't connect if your phone and the device are on different networks. Also, ensure that your Wi-Fi is working properly and you are close to your router within 20 to 30 feet. Avoid thick walls, metal gates, or long distance during the setup. Now, before basically starting the setup, you can also refresh the connection. For that, you just have to unplug the router and wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Then you need to plug it back in. After that, simply restart your doorbell. For that, you just have to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until it restarts. Wait a couple of minutes for everything to reconnect. This is going to clear any temporary network issues that block the Wi-Fi setup. Now, even after doing both of these steps, the issue still persists. You can just simply redo the setup properly. For that, you need to go to your Lorex application. Inside it, look for the option of app device. Here in the add device section, simply look for the option of doorbell. So here you need to scan the QR code and follow further on-screen instructions. When prompted, simply select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password carefully. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.